Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to make a face mask at your home to get rid of this oiliness from your skin. This face mask I would suggest you to make with the egg whites. So guys, now I'm gonna divide this video into three portions. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and my third part, it would be related to the complete procedure where I will let you know how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to our first part of the video where I will let you know the benefits of the ingredients, what benefits you will get if you are going to apply this face mask on your skin. Egg whites serve as an excellent pore cleanser. It also helps shrink the size of the pores and thus reduce the sebum production. Mix it with the plain yogurt, another facial cleanser, and use the mask to get the flawless skin. That was our first part of the video where I have shared with you the benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will share with you the ingredients with the benefits. So guys, for this face mask we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed egg, and number two, we have needed yogurt. So guys, for the quantity, our first ingredients egg, we have needed 1 in a quantity, and for our second ingredients yogurt, we have needed 1 tablespoon. So guys, these were the ingredients with the quantity. Now we are going to our last and the final part of the video where I will share with you how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is two-step method. Number one, mix the egg white and the plain yogurt. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step one. Number one, break an egg and extract the egg white in a container. You can use the yolk to make a DIY hair mask for the greasy hair. Number two, add 1 tablespoon of the plain yogurt. Number 3, whisk the two into a paste with a hand blender. So guys, that was our step 1. Now the step 2 is apply the egg face mask once a week. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, apply a layer, should be a thick, of egg white face mask. Number 2, keep it on for 15 or until it has turned hard and dry. Number 3, rinse it off with a warm water and apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer. That was the simple and the easy procedure to make this mask at your home to get rid of this oily skin. Now I'm gonna suggest you may apply this mask on your skin once in a week. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with another useful solution. Till that time, take care.